Are you tired of the weeknight dinner scramble? This is cheaper than takeout and easier than grocery shopping. We partnered up with Community Kitchen 805 to show you how to get freshly prepared, affordable family dinners every single week. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Get all 3 meals for $99 for the best value. Breaks down to about $8 a person, y'all. Okay? Easy peasy. Get your order in before 9 p.m. PST Wednesdays. Swing by Camarillo or Thousand Oaks on Sundays to pick up your deliciousness. Feed your family a delicious home-cooked meal, completely stress-free. And if you want to save even more money, because I'm all about saving money, take a photo or a video of your meal and post it on Instagram. Tag them and they'll send you an offer code of 25% off your next order. Now that's a steal. Check out communitykitchen.cooking today.